Dita, what'd you get there? Did you grab this from the pantry? You love your good Lovin dog chews. The pig ears. They're so good. They always make you happy. Yeah, these are great. We've had some issues with tummy problems from other bones, but these ones always are a hit. Whenever we accidentally leave the pantry open, the first thing he grabs. You can see the ingredients here. Oh, he's trying to grab at them now. Super simple, just the pig ear, no additives. Are these your favorite? You just love them? Do you want one now? Let's see. I've got help opening them second hand. Oh! Oh, we got a second nose in here. Real interested. Are there any left? There's just one. Can we break it? Get you something else. Oh, these are just so good. Oh, oh wow. Jay says, where's my goodie? It's my turn. Yum. All done. It's just too good.